Job seekers, I'll have your attention. Well, I want to show you how you can use Google to find your dream job. So all you have to do is, of course, go to google.com and then type jobs in Nigeria today. Now, this will give you a broad search, but if you want to be specific, just type the name of the job you want. For example, I'm going to search for data analyst jobs in Nigeria. Now, immediately I do this, Google will show me a dedicated section with all the data analyst jobs that we have in Nigeria. And you can refine this search by swiping to the right like this and tapping on more filters. Now with this, I can refine my search location to a specific city. So let's say I want it to be in Abuja. I can even specify the type of job I want. So maybe I want a part-time job instead of a full-time job. Well, it's quite possible on Google. You can even set up job alerts by tapping here. And immediately you do this, Google will send you notifications as soon as new jobs become available. Now, the moment you find a suitable job opening, just tap on it and follow the other prompts. It is that easy. So here's the thing, even though you're not looking for a job right now because you're currently working, you can still save this video and share it because somebody out there might, find this video useful. Now, this is the part where I say, did you know about this feature on Google before now? Let me know. Well, this person is oversized though.